Arnel. And I noticed, Sister Linley, that what you have discussed last Sabbath is also the same as recorded in the book of Genesis on the events of Noah's day. And when the events, when the report comes to me that 17 will darken, now when I read the Bible, the 7th and the 17th is recorded. So I said to myself, what is it that the record is? It seems that is it because of we read and read and read. That's why, according to some people, oh, that is just your imagination.
Hindi pwede po.
Yeah, but I don't know. Why is it that the record is equal?
Kaya sabi ko nga, Panginoon, baka naman hindi ito totoo. Pero bakit? Pinaunawa, hindi ko pwede, ako mismo sa sarili ko, hindi ko pwede siyang sipain eh.
You try to read.
Sabi ko, hiningi ko sa iyo, na ipaunawa sa amin yung katotohanan upang maunawaan namin at inspirasyon namin sa paghintay sa inyo.
Genesis 8. You try to read Genesis 8. 4. Read.
And the ark rested in the 7th month. Oh! And the 17th day of the month upon the mountains of Ararat. Tingnan mo yan, nakakilabot naman.
Pero pag kuninta mo sa Jewish calendar, hindi pa patok na October 17.
Ha? Hindi. October 17.
Wala yan sa October 17. Baka daw ako dako. 7th month.
Incidentally, the 17 is also up in tomorrow. So it means Jefty, it means Jefty that when we apply the Jewish calendar, we are in the 7th month.
Pero ang 17th day,
ang 17th day,
29.
that is 29.
Oh.
Yes. So
ang 10th day of the 7th month, October 22. Plus 7 days mula sa 10th day. Sa 22, edi 7, di 29.
So, see? That's why we are to be wise for our study. And it means that the events
nagtapos pala,
connected.
sumadsad po pala ang daong sa Mount Ararat sa ikapitong buwan.
7th month. Okay? So, that is just one.
Ibig sabihin dapat ngayon, October ay tag-init kasi natuyo yung tubig eh.
That is just one of our attention
Yun
to be given.
Pagkatapos na ng baha.
Now,
pamalik.
Na yun yung baha doon.
Darating pala tayo, ibig sabihin nun, matatapos ang baha.
17 araw.
Ay, October.
yes. It's up to you. But for me, I will. This is just an idea to give, but this is not the anyway very short period of time.
Sa aking pinanghahawakan ay yung hindi makakaalam kasi ng oras ay yung sanlibutan. Hindi naman tayo kasi tayo ay watchful eh. Yung kasing bayan ng Diyos is watchful.
Tama yun.
Nakaabang siya sa lahat ng mga
Full ang mga bayan ng Diyos.
Mga pangyayari.
Prophecy.
Yung minimin kasi diyan na hindi nila
No man know it at the end of the hour, you disagree.
ay disagree kasi
Why? Huh?
Mm-mm.
That is not true. That no man know it the day and the hour. So you contradict. So you are wrong when you said na you disagree. You mean that you know the close of probation, the day and the hour.
Bago.
Before.
Kung you disagree.
it depends upon the
Not
fulfillment
depends.
of the prophecy,
We
like
have
the close
already
of
passed it.
probation.
We have
The close of
already passed to
probation
it.
has-
Yeah, we have already passed to it. So don't say to me regard according you
excuse me,
give me the question.
We are talking about the
Na hindi yung sabihin hindi nalalaman ng araw at ang oras. Kaya nga meron
We don't know the day and the hour. That is right. We don't know.
But,
Huh? We
But
don't
we are
know.
instructed to know.
Huh?
When it is near.
No, we don't know.
Excuse me.
We
Kung
don't
hindi
know.
lang, te, hindi talaga yung specific.
We don't know.
Oo.
We don't know the day and the hour.
Hindi po, ang pinag-usapan kasi natin
before
doon sa...
Oh, but we know it. So I asked him,
Daddy,
do
excuse
you
me.
disagree? We don't know the day and the hour. That is,
Kaya nga po, tika lang po, kaya po yung inyong
oh, okay, we don't
Pero po,
know,
totoo po yun, di ba?
sandali lang. Okay lang. We don't know the day and the hour according to the Bible. Okay?
Yes.
Remember, before April 12, 2002, we don't know about the day and the hour.
Amen.
Okay? Mark this point. Because they are reading to us that no lips can proclaim the close of probation. But we should know that we don't know the day and the hour.
After April 12 na po yun.
Excuse me. Don't advance it. We don't know the day and the hour. And that is the message we brought before April 12, 2002. Okay? So, we have founded to that principle. We don't break the law of 36. We don't break the law of 36. Okay, now, April 12, 2002 come. Is there any significant on April 12, 2002?
It is the ending of 6,000.
No. There is no significant, but there is significant. Why? 6,000 years ended. So, be careful on that, Mr. Gigi. Even though you have not seen anything, but you have to mark out April 12, 2002 is a very significant date. Without that date,
You cannot
you
understand what is the
cannot follow down the prophecy. So April 12, 2002 is a significant itself. That's why we base our study on this April 12, 2002. Now, how about the day and the hour? That is only month and year and month. The April 12, 2002 is only year and month. How about the day and the hour? According to the Bible, no man knoweth the day and the hour. So we don't know. Now, the time comes when God give us light that this war of Iraq and America is the significant event that we should know. And what is it? We applied the significant of Revelation 7, 1 to 4. That this is the blowing of the four winds. So, because this is the light given to us, now, we check on the Bible principles, Matthew 24:36, that the blowing of the four winds is connected, Mr. Gigi, with that prophecy. So it means that when the release of the war of Iraq and America was the proclamation of the day and the hour, it means that is the fulfillment of the day and the hour. What is that? So we check in the calendar. What day was the war begin? March 20. What hour? 4 o'clock. So that is the answer to no man knoweth the day nor the hour. That is the answer now. So you know now the day and the hour because it has happened already. But you have not proclaimed it before it happened. But because of the significant, you know it now. That the day and the hour that we are waiting for, that no man knoweth the day nor the hour, we know it now. So we can proclaim it. Why? We know it now. So it just like saying that when Faith Joy, as of now, we don't know what day and hour he will deliver. But when he delivers, we can register it in the municipal office and say this is the year, this is the month, this is the day, and this is the hour. But as of now, can I register it in the in the office, municipal office, to say that this is the because the what is the what is that the machine? The ultrasound says that this is the day and this is the hour. Can I register it? No, because no man knoweth the day nor the hour. But when he delivers it, I can proclaim it. So, when September 20, 2003, release the war, I can say it
March 20.
clearly